what's up guys? It's your boy YoBarnzy here, just recording a YouTube video because I just hit 50 followers. Yeah, let's go! Just opened up a hype pack. I'm going to be showing you the clip of me hitting 50 followers and then doing the packs on reveal. So yeah, I'm just about to play the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Check out my Twitch if you enjoy the content.
Nice, Garden Master. If anyone's watching on PC or
kind of gathered that.
Yeah.
Oh, I was talking to Dozzy because he said he followed me on another account.
Politoed, my favorite Pokemon, was so hype.
Oh, nice.
Don't remind me of Politoed. I did soft reset for Politoed on my sword game, and it took me 2,700 encounters, soft resets.
Ouch, that makes my ears hurt.
Yeah. But I'm glad I got it.
Yeah, I bet. Having to do it that many times.
Yeah. Hey, I got no moves on this one either. Damn it. I need to get all my Pokemon from my sword game. All my best ones are in my sword game. I need to move them across. I keep forgetting. Shiny Tita. Yeah, that was my first shiny hunt in my shield. I just wanted to test out my shiny charm.
Oh, Tyranitar.
Yeah, I did a soft reset hunt for Tyranitar.
No.
How many counters was it? It was like
700 and something, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think it was around there, 800 or something like that.
Yeah.
Soft resets.
Didn't take you that many.
No, it didn't.
And then wasn't your second hunt like just over 1,000?
Yeah. I just wanted to test my shiny charm.
Yeah. I didn't really test my shiny charm before I started stream hunting. Oh, cheers for the follow, Watermelon Crusher and Tomical _. Oh, yes, I just reached over 50 followers, bro. I just reached over 50 followers. Yes! Yes! Let's go!
Making hit 50.
Finally! Yeah, do some pack openings on stream for the boys.
On the first try.
Hey, how's it going, Tomical?
First DA, was it? Garden Master. It was a Moltres on the first try in the DA. Right.
Yes, finally got there.
No, like that. Nice. You gotta open up some packs now, eh?
Yes.
Nice.
And yeah, time for some channel points. Yes, I'll be doing them as soon as I get affiliated, which will be tomorrow, hopefully. Oh, thank you everyone for the support. I really appreciate it, eh? Oh,
X and Y. Nice.
I'm so stoked.
That's pretty poggers. Garden Master. Alright, Garden Master got shiny Moltres on the first try in Pokemon X and Y.
Ooh, congrats. That's nice.
That's hype.
I'm just waiting for my missus to come in and help me open these packs. Yeah. Yeah, I know I won't get it straight away, but oh, I'm still so hyped. 50 plus followers now. I'm so hyped.
How many packs?
I'm not sure yet. I gotta get Mrs. Stoke pack it for me.
I think there's 4 packs in your box, bro.
Yeah, I'm not exactly sure.
I think that was 4 packs.
As 50 followers. You wanna open it up for me?
I should put that command in actually for the Nightbot. Like you type in exclamation hype and the bot just puts like emotes in. I will eventually.
Yeah, cheers Unique for clipping the 50 followers. Oh, pack's open now. Pack's open.
Nice.
Can't do this.
Get some good pulls. Get some good pulls, man.
I hope, man. I really hope. Okay, I'm gonna show the Jumbo Pikachu card. Oh, this card looks cool actually. Look at that. That looked nice. And then we're just waiting for the small one.
My last Pikachu box was like a bit of a dud. I didn't really pull anything good out of it. Just one B card, and that was it.
I hope I get good pulls. Yeah, here's
good box.
Here's a small Pikachu. I was planning on getting two of them because I didn't know if you needed one, but yeah.
Nah, I got one in the background over there.
Oh, so 4 packs of Shining Fates. Again, my missus to pick 2 of them. So we got a Charizard one, we got a Corviknight one, a Toxtricity, and a Dragapult one. Which 2 do you want?
Nice.
Those 2. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the Corviknight one. Tomical, I think you were my 51st follower. Someone named Tomical. I think Watermelon Crusher 698 just beat you to it. Yeah, I can't open these packs.
I'm struggling too.
Can you go get something?
Want me to get a pair of scissors?
Oh no, I can get it.
Get some good cards, bro. Get some good cards.
Oh man, I was so hyped to do this. I can't even open up my bloody pack.
Yeah, that was like me when I hit my goal as well.
And I can't even do it right now. I need like precision. I'll get the Mrs. token because she managed to open them for me. Alright, so I need to find the energy card. And then, so who wants to guess the energy?
I say steel.
Okay. Cheers guys. Hope I get some good stuff. Electric. Does anyone have, fairy? Okay, so, yep, that's the energy card. I'm gonna show it now. It's grass.
Grass.
Alright, so we'll start. So I got Horsey, Cufant. Hey Papulu, how's it going?
Hey.
Uh,
Pops in the chat.
Oh, it's Tootle. Hey Gracie. Full screen webcam.
Yeah, you got
Okay.
50, Mighty Sheep. You got 50 followers.
Hold up.
He reached his goal.
Hold up, let me just add in my face cam real quick. Alrighty, so here's my full screen. Don't mind my face. There's a Yanmar. Let's see. Morpeko, nice. Oh, is that a reverse hollow Shinx? Nice. And then there's a Dreadnought. A Rusted Sword. And last card, I think. There's Floatzel. Oh no, there's one more card. And a Dartrix. I think that one was a bit of a dud. Alright, so who wants to guess the energy for the next one? Water. Oh, nice. Okay, here we go. Alright, so everyone done with guessing? Okay. So, Unique got it right. It's electric. Yeah, congrats, Unique. So, I got another Shinx to go with my reverse hollow Shinx that I just pulled. I got a Nickit. A Rowlet. Oh, okay. So, I almost got the set. Hey, Mighty Sheep, how you going? Trapinch. Oh, Weasel. Nice. Oh, Yveltal. Oh, what's that? Hey, what's that? Oh, yo, what's up? Secret, yeah, real Yveltal. Nice. Gotta put that off to the side. So this one's a Yan Mega. Nice. Awesome. Rusted Shield. Sweet. Elder Gloss, and last card is another Dartrix. Oh, okay. Oh man, I'm hyped with that Yveltal. Oh, that Yveltal looks nice. I'll hold it up again. I'll hold it up again so everyone can see it properly. Oh, that looks nice. Yo, what's up? Yo. Hey? Put. Oh no. Okay. So who wants to guess the energy? Who wants to guess the energy for this one? Oh! Oh! Bro, guess what? You're right. Oh! Yeah, you're right. You got psychic. So I got coughing first. Basil. Gossifer. A Cacnea. Tutul. Another one. Okay then. Another Mega. Rotom. Oh, that's a nice looking Rotom. Another Eldergloss. A Tropius. I think that's the last card. Oh, no way! A shiny Ducklet! Oh, let's go! Let's go! Yes, there's 2 good pulls. What's up? Oh man, that's sick.
Last lot.
So that's 2 good pulls out of this pack. Oh man, that's hype, man. Oh man, that's so hype. So who wants to guess the last energy, hey? Oh man, I got a shiny Ducklet, so maybe give me some shiny luck, eh? Keep with fire, okay. Water. Fire. What oh, electric? What about you, bro? What do you guess? Fire. Lightning. Okay, so I'm gonna reveal it now. So we got 2 winners. We got FaZe v Dorsey and Mighty Sheep. We got 2 people who got it. Fab with the electric again. Alright, so I got another Nickit. Horsey. Oh, I got Snom on the bench. I got another Morpeko. Another Cacnea. Oh, reverse holo Eldergloss. Nice. Oh. Alright. Oh, Trainer Rose card. Look at that. Oh. That's a nice card. Okay, let's see what the next one is. Oh, another Rusted Sword. And another Eldergloss. I think there's 1 card left. And another Dartrix. Alright, well, at least I got that Trainer Rose. That looked like a decent card, eh?
I'm gonna go now.
Alright. Thank you for helping me out with the contact, baby. And thank you to everyone who's watching me for getting me to.
Bye guys.
Thank you for everyone who got me to 50 followers. I can't appreciate you guys enough. Now back to my live stream.
You're welcome, bro.
Cheers, bro. Oh, those packs were hype, bro. I got some decent pulls out of that. I got the. Oh, I'll go back to full screen real quick. Oh man, I couldn't have asked for anything better for my first pack opening. Hey, like first, I got that full art Trainer Rose there. I got this rare Yveltal. Is that like a rainbow Yveltal or something? Oh, it's a secret rare. That's cool. And then the best card out of the pack for last is my bloody shiny Ducklet. Yeah, look at that pink bird. That's cool, man. Let's go. That was a hype pack opening. And I wouldn't have got there without you guys following me and joining my streams and giving me all the support. I can't thank you guys enough, eh? Oh, that was so hyped. Wait, did I do that pack? Oh, wait, no, wait. You told me I missed a pack. Oh, no way, I think I missed a pack.
Right, there should be 4 in the box.
Yeah, did I only get 3? Yeah, I only open 3, I think.
Did you only open up 3?
Yeah, it looks like it. I think, well, there's not really anything good in this one anyway. I got reverse hollow crushing gloves. I think that's the only good one out of that pack. Hey, nothing else overly good. I got a couple rapid strike cards. I don't know if that's any good.
Hi, Captain Gecko came from a stream and had a heartbreaking moment.
Oh, really? What happened?
The streamer played for 4.5 hours of playing Alpha Sapphire, and he accidentally hit the reset button and lost everything.
Oh no!
Yes.
Oh man! Oh man, that's horrible. I feel sorry for that guy.
That's definitely heartbreaking.
Yeah, that's definitely heartbreaking. Oh, cheers for that clip unique. That's awesome. You got me the shiny ducklet clip.
Nice.
I should make a command in my chat for good pull cards. So like like a recent pull thing for the TCGs.